Hey, how you doing? Mike, Innovative Door, always bringing you the newest of the new. And here we go, ribbed 3200 with the top 24 by 12 insulated glass window, black trim, white door, nice big black bottom leather seal. We did that custom to match and highlight and make everything pop a little bit here. This is the same as the 3200, pinch resistant, nylon ball wheel, high cycle springs, insulated windows, all the 11 gauge hardware you can see here, and it rolls just as smooth as always. Okay, up top there's the big old springs we got. Okay, bigger bottom rubber, and we're gonna rehook the opener. I'm just making this quick video here just to show you everything, how great it looks. And it's raining out, so I'm making this quick video now before it really starts raining. For all your door needs, call Innovative Door 632-719-343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We like you. Thanks for watching our rainy day video of the ribbed 3200 with insulated 24 by 12 windows. And as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching.